ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸದಾನಂದ ರಾವ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಹಲವಾರು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ಥರೈಟಿಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿವರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನೋವು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಾಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ನೋವು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವು ಬಾರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಅನಾಟಮಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ, ಯಾವುದು ಔಷಧಿ ಮದ್ದುಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ, ಕೆಲವು ಬಾರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ನೋವುಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್, ಅವರು ಅಸ್ಸಾಂನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ರೋಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಸಾಮೋಡೈಟಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಿನ ತಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಗ್ಟೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟೆಂಡನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬೋನ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಓವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ತೂಕ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಬೆಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಟೆಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬೋನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ವಿಧಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲಮೇಟರಿ ಮಾತ್ರೆಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಟಿರಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಐಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ನೋವು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ವಾಸಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾದದಲ್ಲಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ನಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನೋವನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರೋಲಿ ಅವರು ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ನೋವು ಆದಾಗ ಅವರು ಹೇಗೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರವನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅದರ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರೋಲಿ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
Namaste.
ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು?
I'm good.
Are you very happy to after taking the biostimulation treatment, right?
Yes, I'm absolutely happy. I'm so happy.
Okay. How do you know about our biostimulation laser therapy or treatment?
Actually, one of my sister's friend, he
Okay.
recommended about this cold laser biostimulation therapy. He said this will definitely work. So I searched in Google and your clinic name came first. So I thought maybe I should try. I
Okay.
should consult this doctor.
Why you are coming for our clinic? What is your problem?
I was suffering from sesamoiditis since 4 years, since 2020, and the pain was severe. It's like sharp shooting pain. It's very severe. Then I consulted 5 doctors. 5 doctors till
Okay.
now. So they two doctors, they gave me painkillers. One doctor, he gave me a steroid injection.
Okay.
Then 2 therapists also I have consulted, physiotherapists. They gave me 4-5 different types of therapies, but nothing worked. So I almost lost hope. Like I thought maybe whole life I'll be walking with this this defective leg. Like I lost hope. So finally my sister's friend, he recommended about this. Then
Okay.
I tried this. So I came here. Then it's like a miracle now. I still don't believe, like I have recovered almost 95% till now.
Okay, you are not taking any medicines.
Nothing, no painkiller, nothing.
Okay. At the time of laser taking, you feel any warm or a heat or a pain?
Nothing. Like it's like painless. It's like I didn't feel any uncomfortable. Like
Okay.
everything is fine. It's highly effective. Like I recommend this laser therapy to everyone, those who are suffering from any joint pain, any tendons pain, any type of inflammation in
Okay.
their body.
How many sessions you finish right now?
Till now I have finished only 20 sessions, but like I have recovered more than 90%. I think almost 95% I can say.
How do you say 95% after taking 50
Because
sessions?
while
Did you check it?
While walking also I don't feel any pain. Okay, but if I sometimes I walk in kitchen for more than like 2-3 hours, that time by evening time I feel mild pain. That is okay. That is my mistake only, because doctor has said me not to stand for too long. So it's my mistake only.
Okay.
Otherwise there is no pain while walking or sitting, standing, nothing. It's like 95% I can say I have recovered.
You told last week,
Yes.
last 2 weeks you are out of station. You are
Yes,
going
yes.
for a vacation.
Yes, yes.
And that time you are facing any pain in the at the
No,
time of
no,
walking.
no.
You are going for a out of station, like
Yes,
abroad, right?
Yes, yes, yes. 2 weeks I was in Turkey. I went for vacation. So each day I walked more than 15,000 steps.
Very good.
More than 15,000 steps. I walked for 2 weeks non-stop. Nothing happened. Like everything is fine. There is
Okay.
no pain.
Okay.
Thankfully.
What do you suggest about this type of pain? Those who are suffering like arthritis, this type of small pains like sesamoiditis, carpal tunnel syndrome, all these type of.
Yeah.
What is your suggestion?
I feel my suggestion is don't go for surgery directly. Get laser treatment. Try once. At least this is highly effective. I feel it's a miracle. Don't go for surgeries and all. Just try this laser therapy, this cold laser biostimulation therapy. Just try once. You will see the result.
More than the surgery, we are not going to give any medicines, right?
Medicines also not.
And there is no
required.
side effect in this laser.
Zero side effect, no medicines, no painkillers. Just take laser therapy, but doctor will give you few sessions like 30 sessions, 40 sessions. But you have to complete the sessions. If you don't complete, this pain will come back. That is for sure. So what doctor recommends, you should follow that. Okay, and have trust. Okay, what doctor says, he is saying for good only. Okay.
I think you learn a lot of about laser therapy and biostimulation laser therapy. I think you read all the books and the laser therapy. Okay, thank you, Dr. Rowley. Thank you for your a good suggestion for the Mind Body Cold Laser Center.
Being a dentist, I am saying that laser is highly effective.
I think in a dental clinic also they are using a biostimulation laser for a pain management after taking root canal. You are also giving. That's why you know that, right?
After extraction also we give laser therapy to heal faster.
Yeah.
So it's very effective. So I'll suggest try laser. Don't go for surgery immediately. Try laser first. Then you will definitely see the result. 100% it is effective. Okay.
Thank you.
Namaste.